Smart card. A smart card is actually a credit card size device. It is used most of the times in company by the employees. This smart card contain a small microprocessor which is embedded here inside, and it also contains small amount of memory. Along with it provides some interface. This interface allows us to communicate with the workstation as well as network. This is a picture which shows the smart card. The application of the smart card is different, but the best use of this smart card is to store the password as well as IDs in a secure manner. Whatever the password or ID you stored in the smart card, it's in an encrypted format. Only the person who owns this smart card has the authority to access that password as well as ID. To give some more security, we are using the smart card with some biometric fingerprint scanning. If even though this smart card is available to any persons, without the fingerprint, he cannot access this private information. The smart cards are used in company for personalize the user's authority. That means the company gives some smart card to the its employees or customers. Smart card contains already provided with some configuration or settings. These settings will provide what type of information or what type of access he can get from the net. Here, the smart card provides access to the network services, would store network privileges and preferred system settings on each employee's card, which could then be used from any terminal with the card reader. So this smart card provides what type of services he can get from the internet or net, what type of information he can collect. That information is already provided in the smart card. The setting will be already set, and some of the system settings, desktop settings are already embedded within this smart card, so that if the person can sit in any computer, only that privileges is given to that employee from that system. So it is the advantage. He can sit on any terminal, use his smart card reader and put this smart card and access the system. The system allow only that feature which is already provided in the smart card. For example, if the employee is having no authority to install any software, already the feature is set in the smart card. He try to insert or install any software, it won't allow that employee to install it. So such setting configuration, the operating system setting configuration or network setting configuration is already set in this smart card. Customizing the desktop to the employee's preference. Automatically set the desktop according to the employee's requirement. Two characteristics make smart card especially well suited for security, sensitive or personal data applications. The first one is the onboard processor can service request from the network and return the result without exposing the sensitive data. For example, a smart card could digitally signed data without exposing the user's private key. In this case, the user already have some secret information in his smart card which is digitally signed. If you want to log into any system, there is no need of providing any password or security key, nothing. Just use the smart card, place it over the reader and it will log into the system. It's a very easy task. Just use the card and swap the device. The system is login. There is no need of entering any private information. The user can carry data on the smart card rather than entrusting it to the network storage. For example, a smart card could be used to carry some personal information about the user, such as medical record or digital certificate. If you have some private information and you have to keep it in his smart card, a small storage space is available. He can put his own private information in this smart card with the digitally signed. Such features are provided in the smart card. Most of the today's operating system support smart card features. The Windows operating system already provided many features for smart card. Windows compatible smart card solution can be used with Internet Explorer to authenticate a secure connection. Whenever you use the Windows operating system along with the Internet Explorer, if you want to access some secure information, already it is provided with this Windows computer. One more advantage is Outlook Express. If you want to send some email or receive some email in a secure fashion, we are using Outlook Express and Smart Card. Smart Card allows you to digitally sign and encrypt message, provides access to protected the intranet sites, and can enable a single network sign on. Now these are some of the advantages of Smart Card. Encrypting the message, access to protected intranet sites, and enable a signed network sign on. In simple way, you have a smart card in your hand. You don't need any password to remember. Just swap the card. It automatically log into that system. You have seen the smart card in many places. It's look like a debit card,